You all absolutely loved our video on the end of the Earth, and your comments flooded in. You asked for more, so we're taking you back to the edge for a deep dive. But forget flat Earth theories. The real end of the Earth isn't a theory. It's a real town where the sun disappears for 2 months straight. We're going to a place of incredible extremes. Hammerfest, Norway. So, what is it really like to live where the world seems to stop? So, is it really the last point on Earth? Well, symbolically, yes. Hammerfest is the world's northernmost city, a final outpost of civilization before the vast, wild Arctic Ocean. The nearby E69 highway is often called the last road to the North Cape. But living here means living in a world of extremes, all because of the Earth's tilt. First, the midnight sun. For over 2 months in the summer, the sun never sets. Imagine barbecues at midnight and kids playing outside at 2 a.m. under a bright sun. Then there's the opposite, the polar night. For 2 months in winter, the sun never rises. It's not total blackness, but a long, beautiful twilight. The landscape is bathed in a soft blue light, often lit by the magical dance of the northern lights. You wanted to know more about life there. But how do you survive that? How do you build a life in a place that completely rewrites the rules of day and night? Here's how they do it: a battle against darkness. To fight the endless winter darkness, Hammerfest became the first town in Northern Europe to install electric streetlights way back in 1891. It wasn't just for convenience, it was a psychological lifeline, a way to hold back the oppressive gloom. They were true innovators in the art of survival. What's one thing most people don't know about surviving in the end of the Earth? The answer might surprise you. Check the comments to find out. A spirit forged in fire. This town is unbelievably tough. During World War II, it was almost completely wiped off the map. After a forced evacuation, virtually nothing was left standing but a single small chapel. But the resilient locals returned and rebuilt their entire world from the ashes. Cultural heart. And we can't forget the Sámi, the indigenous people of the region, whose ancient culture of reindeer herding is still a vibrant part of life in the Arctic. Long before the city of Hammerfest existed, their culture, built around reindeer herding, had already mastered this extreme environment. It's a vibrant, living testament to thousands of years of thriving in a landscape that would break most others. So, the end of the Earth isn't a cliff's edge, but a place of incredible resilience, innovation, and breathtaking beauty. It's where the rules of day and night are completely rewritten. Thanks for pushing us to dig deeper. What corner of the world should we explore next? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.